This short presentation will help you understand what One Step is. So, what is One Step? One Step is an app that helps you transform your health. This is how Prashant, the founder of One Step, looked in November 2022. He was 10 kilos overweight. And this is how he looks today after his transformation. Leaner and a lot fitter. Here is what Prashant's story is. He got high blood sugar and high blood pressure because of the steroids that he was given in the COVID hospital. But he did an incredible amount of research and figured out that carbohydrate restriction was the way to improve his health. So, on 1st December 2022, he gave up sugar, wheat, and rice and got miraculous results. He lost 10 kilos of weight, 2.5 inches in waist circumference, and 90% of his belly fat. More importantly, he was able to get off his medications. Prashant also wrote My Health, My Responsibility, a systematic 15-step approach to take control of your health. The approach that he came up with eventually evolved into the one-step approach, which is the foundation of this app. The approach is based on the principle that many small changes stacked on top of each other can lead to huge improvements in your health. If you follow it, you can also completely transform your health like Prashant did. One Step is an app that is based on a simple but powerful approach. It rests on 3 pillars: build a solid foundation, strengthen the body, and strengthen the mind. This approach is very powerful because it is based on timeless principles. One of these principles is that the human body knows how to heal itself and stay healthy. All we have to do is give it what it needs and get out of its way so that it can do its job. One of the other foundational principles is that nobody in this world has a pharmaceutical drug deficiency. So, One Step is based on a non-pharmacological approach, which is an approach that does not depend on pharmaceutical drugs. Instead, it is based on changes to diet, exercise, and lifestyle. One Step is an app that helps you with adherence. We recognize that adherence is the bottom of the pyramid. In other words, we know that the most important thing is to do what you have decided to do and do it consistently. It is not about perfection. It is about persistence. That's exactly why the heart of the One Step app is what we call the adherence engine, which motivates, urges, and prods you to adhere to whatever it is that you have decided to do. The messages are generated using generative AI technology, which we can scale easily and infinitely. Which is why we say that the USP of One Step is delivering adherence at scale. One Step is an app that personalizes for you. The One Step approach is a comprehensive approach, but it has to be personalized because every person is different. Their body constitution is different, their current health status is different, and each person has different preferences and constraints as well. All that has to be taken into account. We do that and personalize the One Step approach for you. And the technology that we have built will be able to do a better job of that as it understands you better as a person. That brings us to the end of this presentation. Thank you for your attention.